Hi guys, so today is Christmas Day.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Hi guys, so today we're going to the market to go and get paints. So guys, we are at the market now. One of the people want to buy paints. This market is so full. I can't even see well. Like, I'm only seeing my reflection on this phone. I cannot see what I'm actually recording.
Ivie. Sorry, this.
The following day.
I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I'm hair or tattoos, I would think that it is your skin. If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my reflection. In this cold season, close enough. Who could say every time we touch, every time we
Many unbearable hours later.
Okay, so guys, I just need my lashes and I'm going back to my place now. I'm gonna check out Nate to actually get me a gift.
Next morning.
At 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. Put me on, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to pick me up. Tell me where I'm right, yeah. I really need.
Hi guys, so today is Christmas Day. I don't know, don't judge me for wearing brown. There's a little bit of green in my outfit. But yeah, I have been MIA since morning because we've been cooking. But now we're on our way to church. So
Price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system, he cannot pray. I need to find belief.
So guys, we're done from church and we're going back home now. Okay, so guys, we're back from church now, so I'm going to continue cooking the food. I still have to make jollof rice, this to do, and Chapman. So
I really need a free mind. I really need I need to free my mind out. I really need time. I really need a free mind out. I really need time now.
so guys, I'm finally done cooking and I'm eating now. This food has refused to focus, but I'm eating now. So yeah, bye guys. I'm so tired.
2 days later.
to the end of today's video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, words cannot describe how grateful I am. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell so that you are notified every time I make a new post. Bye.